everyone, welcome back to Best English Pod. I'm Sarah. Right now, do this with me. Speak out loud. Not later, not after this video, right now. Because English speaking is not something you only study with your mind. It is something you train with your mouth, your ears, and your voice. Today, that is exactly what we are going to do together. I will say a sentence, you will repeat it out loud. That is all. No pressure, no translation, no grammar lesson. Just real speaking practice. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. Do not worry if your accent sounds different. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Speaking again and again is how your English becomes stronger. Before we start, here is the method we are using. This is called shadowing. First, you listen carefully. Then, when there is a pause, you repeat the sentence. Try to copy the rhythm, the sound, and the feeling of the sentence. Do not only say the words. Say them like they belong in real conversation. We will begin with easy warm-up sentences. Then we will move into everyday English. After that, we will practice short conversations. And at the end, we will do a faster fluency round. Ready? Let's begin. Warm-up round. These first sentences are short, simple, and positive. Say them clearly and with confidence. Sentence 1. Today is a great day to speak English. 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 Sentence 2. I am getting better every day. 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 Sentence 3. My voice is becoming stronger. 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 Sentence 4. I want to speak with more confidence. 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 Sentence 5. Small practice brings big results. 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 Great work! Your mouth is waking up now. Let's repeat those same sentences again a little more naturally. Today is a great day to speak English. Today is a great day to speak English. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. My voice is becoming stronger. My voice is becoming stronger. I want to speak with more confidence. I want to speak with more confidence. Small practice brings big results. Small practice brings big results. Nice. Now let's move into useful sentences for everyday life. These are the kinds of phrases people really use in real conversations. Listen first. Then repeat. Sentence 6. You did not understand what someone said. Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Sentence 7. You need a moment before answering. Just a moment. I need to think. 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 Sentence 8. Someone tells you something useful or interesting. That's really helpful. That's really helpful. That's really helpful. That's really helpful. Sentence 9. You are not fully sure yet. I'm not fully sure, but I'll find out. 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 Sentence 10. You like someone's suggestion. That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea. Excellent. These phrases are useful in real life. Now let's say them again with a smoother flow. Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Sorry, I missed that. Can you say it one more time? Just a moment. I need to think. Just a moment. I need to think. That's really helpful. That's really helpful. I'm not fully sure, but I'll find out. I'm not fully sure, but I'll find out. That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea. Very good. Now let's put these words into a real conversation. Real conversation practice. Imagine you are speaking with a friend on a normal day. Repeat each line out loud. How are you today? 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 I'm doing pretty well. I've been busy, but okay. I'm doing pretty well. I've been busy, but okay. I'm doing pretty well. I've been busy, but okay. I'm doing pretty well. I've been busy, but okay. Did you have a good morning? 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 Yes, it was calm and quiet. 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 Did anything interesting happen? 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 Not much, but I finished a task I had been putting off. Not much, but I finished a task I had been putting off. Not much, but I finished a task I had been putting off. Not much, but I finished a task I had been putting off. Not much, but I finished a task I had been putting off. That feels good, right? 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 Yes, it really does. 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 That is a real conversation, simple, natural, and useful. Now let's practice a workplace situation. Work conversation practice. Imagine it is a weekday morning and you are at work. A coworker starts a short conversation with you. Sentence 11. Good morning. How is your day going so far? Good morning. How is your day going so far? Good morning. How is your day going so far? Good morning. How is your day going so far? Sentence 12. I was working on a project yesterday. 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 Sentence 13. I'm almost finished, but I still need to review a few things. I'm almost finished, but I still need to review a few things. I'm almost finished, but I still need to review a few things. I'm almost finished, but I still need to review a few things. Sentence 14. Could we talk about it later this afternoon? 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 Now you have a full professional exchange, a greeting, an update, a progress message, and a polite request. That is real English used in real life. Now let's move into the fluency round. Fluency round. This section is faster. Do not stop and think too much. Just keep speaking. Sentence 15. I'm handling it right now. 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 Sentence 16. I'll let you know soon. 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 Sentence 17. That makes perfect sense. 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 Sentence 18. I agree with you completely. 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 Sentence 19. I'll take care of that. 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 Sentence 20. Give me a second to check. 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 Awesome. Now say them again at a normal, natural speed. I'm handling it right now. I'm handling it right now. I'll let you know soon. I'll let you know soon. That makes perfect sense. That makes perfect sense. I agree with you completely. I agree with you completely. I'll take care of that. I'll take care of that. Give me a second to check. Give me a second to check. Very nice. Take a moment and think about what you just did. You warmed up your speaking muscles. You practiced useful everyday English. You completed a real conversation. You used work English. And you finished with a fluency round. That is real progress. Keep doing this regularly and your speaking will become smoother and more confident step by step. Thanks for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep showing up, keep improving. See you in the next lesson.